What if I told you that you can create viral finance videos that earn high RPM without showing your face, without editing, and without writing scripts manually? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT and Google Flow to build copyright-free finance shorts using simple prompts. Most people want to start finance YouTube channels, but they struggle with ideas, scripting, editing, and consistency. And hiring writers or editors can be expensive. So today, I'm going to show you a fully AI-powered system to create high RPM finance videos that work globally. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to find viral high RPM finance topics, generate engaging scripts using characters, break scripts into scenes, turn them into Pixar-style AI videos, and publish them on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. The first step is finding highly searched finance topics that advertisers pay more for. Finance has one of the highest RPMs because banks, fintech apps, insurance companies, and investment brands pay premium ad rates. So open ChatGPT and paste prompt which you see on screen. ChatGPT will generate a list of trending finance keywords like passive income, investing, credit scores, saving money, side hustles, and more. Choose one topic that looks viral and beginner-friendly. Instead of boring scripts, we'll create entertaining short videos using 2 animated finance characters. These characters make finance content feel like a casual conversation, which boosts retention. Enter video topic on script prompt on screen. This gives you a 25 to 30-second conversation-style script, perfect for shorts. It feels like 2 friends chatting about money, not a boring lecture. Now we want to split the script into cinematic scenes so we can animate each dialogue separately. By using this prompt, now you'll have a scene-by-scene breakdown where each scene contains just 1 line of dialogue. This makes it easier to generate smooth AI videos. Next, we convert each scene into Pixar-style 3D text-to-video prompts designed for Veo 3 or Grok AI. By using this prompt, now you get ready-to-copy prompts that you can paste directly into Google Flow. Open Google Flow, click on Create with Flow, then Start a new project. Choose Text to Video, select your video ratio, landscape or portrait. In the model settings, choose Veo 3.1, paste Scene 1 prompt, generate the video, then click Extend Video. Repeat this process for all scenes until the entire video is complete. At the end, you'll have a fully AI-generated, copyright-free finance video. You can upload it on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook, or Snapchat Spotlight. One script equals multiple platforms equals multiple income streams.
Hey, I'm Side Hustle Laptop. Let's learn the best side hustles for students today. And I'm AI Work Buddy, ready to help you earn smarter. What's the easiest hustle to start? Freelancing, tutoring, or selling digital products online. What if someone has 0 skills?